Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and this is Sam's Tiki Bar. And today we're going to make the Blue Hawaiian, okay? Blue Hawaiian's a classic Tiki Bar drink that I absolutely love, and it's completely delicious. And we're going to make it. Just remember, we're going to make it for a friend of mine, and it's not Steve. Or little Steve. I put these out last week, you remember? Well, anyway, let's make the Blue Hawaiian. The first thing that we're going to need is 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So this is my pineapple juice. I just bought some more today. And so then we're going to put 3 ounces of pineapple juice into my shaker cup here. So we got, this is 2 ounces. Then we need 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Then the next thing that we're going to put in is 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. Now I did get sweet and sour mix today because I didn't have any. And this is organic sweet and sour mix. So that's all they had at Wegmans. That's all they had. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 1 ounce of this simple syrup. Well, it's not simple syrup. It's a sweet and sour mix. Now, the fun part. We're going to need vodka, 1 ounce. So let's put in 1 ounce of vodka. Here we go. Excellent. Put that right there. Boom. 1 ounce. I got coconut rum here. This Bacardi coconut rum. You can use that, or just regular light rum. 1 ounce. We're going to use that. And now we're going to put in the blue Curaçao. This is to make it blue. Believe it or not, I might have to buy more blue Curaçao because I'm running low, which is crazy. All right, so there we go. Excellent. Now we have to shake it. Now remember, we have to shake it until my hands get too cold for this thing to be touched. It's getting it. All right, now we're going to put this drink into a hurricane glass. This is a hurricane glass. I just learned that today. I didn't even know these things had a name. Let me go put some ice in it. And I have my pebble ice. There we go. Excellent. So let me take this thing off. I'm getting better at taking this thing off. Look, it just came right off. I did it. It used to give me such a problem. Anyway, wait, what movie am I going to recommend today? Goodfellas. And in honor of this blue Tiki Bar shirt, I'm making the Blue Hawaiian. So watch Goodfellas this weekend. And look at that. Wow. Excellent. That looks pretty good. Now, believe it or not, I have a guest star here today. His name's Dean Petro. Dean, come here. This is Dean.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, Dean, getting closer to the shot. Dean built the Tiki Bar for me. Okay, I paid him. Okay, but he also just did my bathroom floor upstairs. I'm like, you want to be in a Tiki Bar video? He's like, yeah. Okay, and I said, okay, you're gonna. You didn't? No, yeah. What? Free drinks? No, I don't want a free drink. Yeah. So then, anyway, I want you to try this. Tell me how you like this blue wine. Is it good?
It's excellent.
Really? I didn't even taste it.
It really is.
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
Good. See? So then that's a Blue Hawaiian. This is Dean Petro, and I'm Sam Ramirez. And I'm also known as Tiki Bar Sam. Have a great weekend and a great day. Okay. See you later. Bye.